road trip in Eastern Germany, we stumbled upon this haunted factory.
Robin,
Wow. Whoa.
you have to stop here now.
Definitely.
Yes?
Look at that.
Park the car over there.
It's a beautiful one. It's crazy, man.
It's desolated, so
Completely desolated. It's true.
yes.
Wow.
Crazy.
Wow.
No.
You can go in here. Shall we
Can you go in?
Yeah, come.
Sure?
We go. This is the perfect entrance. Whoa. Whoa. It's completely abandoned. For how long, I don't know. Looks like it has been here for quite a while. What time was it built? What do you think?
I think 40 years ago.
Not longer?
Longer maybe. In the
Longer
time of the DDR.
DDR era, maybe earlier even.
Do you want to go inside?
Of course. I always find it a bit scary to go inside these empty buildings. There's an urge to go inside, at the same time they often tend to be a bit creepy from the inside. So let's see where we will find here. There's nothing in this room. It's even, yeah.
Let's go further.
Nothing here.
Let's go further.
Let's go further. What's this?
It's a newspaper. An old newspaper. Whoa. Look at the year. And I think that I see the Deutsche Demokratische Republik. It's a very old newspaper.
15th of April 1954. What the heck?
DDR.
It's interesting, that's here.
In the GDR, most factories were state-owned. So was this factory of VEB OGEMA. VEB stood for Volkseigener Betrieb, so this was one of those factories owned by the state.
Life in a GDR factory was shaped by strict planning and production quotas set by the government. Workers were part of brigades, small teams that not only worked together, but also socialized and took part in the political education sessions. Although pay was modest, job security was high and unemployment was virtually non-existent. Factories also provided social benefits like subsidized meals, holiday camps and childcare facilities.
Did you forget your boots last time?
Do you want to have a beer?
You had a beer.
Wow.
What is that, man? What a place.
That's the old factory, I think. But what kind of factory?
Yeah, what kind of factory would it have been? I have no idea, really. What
Look at
place
those
is this,
things.
man? You have a light? You want to have my phone too? Double light.
Do you hear that?
Yeah, I heard that.
Scary.
What was that? What did it sound like to you?
Yeah, there was somebody.
You think so?
Yes.
Maybe. It's a possibility. Come over here. Some old machinery here.
Stop.
This is part of the chimney. A lot of pipes. All kinds of pipes, a big tank. Let's walk around here. You can even see inside of the tank. It works. What would it be? Some chemical stuff? Bottles? Lots of bottles here, you see?
But what kind of bottle?
Look, there's a sign. Pectina. Yeah, Pectin factory. Could have been. Should look it up later.
From the old time, do you think?
Mm-hmm. Pectin was used to conservate stuff, maybe, I don't know. Look here. It's a chemical place, definitely. Lots of papers. What the heck? Whoa. What is this place, man? What a mess. Let's see what's over here. What a sight, look at that. Somehow these places always look even more interesting on camera than in real life. I don't know why, maybe it's the light fall or something. What a crazy experience was that, man.
It was crazy. I've never done this before.
It's a fantastic factory to explore, don't you think?
Yeah, it was a little bit scary too.
Eerie even, with the winds.
Scary, and there are a lot of noises, and you see a lot of strange things on the floor, newspapers, bottles, chemical bottles.
Yeah, it was an interesting sight. So if you like to see more of these kind of adventures of us in the future, then consider subscribing to our channel, because we have the intention to explore a lot of more unique, adventurous places in Europe.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.
Bye.